Hi there! In this Blyx Studio review, I'm going to show you a tool that helps you create stunning visuals, GIFs, and videos using the power of AI. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Blyx Studio through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is Blyx Studio? Blyx Studio is a cloud-based AI-powered design tool that helps you create high-quality images, GIFs, and videos without needing any design experience. It's designed for content creators, marketers, and businesses who want to easily generate professional graphics for social media, ads, blogs, and more. The best part? You don't need Photoshop skills or expensive design software. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. Now, I want to be honest. This isn't some magic tool that will make you a millionaire overnight. Blyx Studio gives you powerful AI-driven tools, but you'll still need to use them strategically to grow your online business. Here are some standout features that caught my eye. Checkmark AI Image and GIF Creator. Just enter a prompt and it generates visuals instantly. Drag and drop editor. Customize designs, add text, remove backgrounds, and more. Pre-made templates. Ready-to-use designs for social media, ads, and branding. Cloud-based, no installation needed, access from any device. Monetization options. Sell designs, use them for clients, or create engaging content for your brand. How it works. Blyx Studio is super simple to use. Step 1. Log in to the platform. Step 2. Choose a template or start from scratch. Step 3. Use AI to generate designs, edit them, and add effects. Step 4. Download your final design or share it online. No technical skills required. Just follow the training and you're good to go. Okay, let's play a quick video demo to show you how it works.
Hey, let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to create stunning professional visuals, but you're stuck with complicated tools or paying outrageous fees for software that you barely even use? What if you could generate high quality images, GIFs, and even short videos without learning clunky software, without hiring expensive designers, and without paying for features that you don't even use? Well, that's exactly what Blyx Studio does. We took the best features from 3 powerful design platforms and combined them into one AI-driven creative powerhouse so that you can create jaw-dropping content within just a few clicks. And the best part, you stay in control. We give you fresh credits every month so you're never paying for more than you actually need. Want even more control? Well, you can plug in your own AI API keys so you're only paying for what you use. You get pro-level content creation without the recurring software fees that bleed you dry. Now let's talk about what makes Blyx so powerful. Well, AI generation. Type in a simple prompt, click generate, and watch AI bring it to life in seconds. Outpaint. Ever had an image that didn't fit your design? Well, with Outpaint, you can extend your image beyond its borders whilst AI fills in the gaps seamlessly. AI background removal. Need a clean professional look? Well, you can remove backgrounds with one click. Perfect for ads, social media, and product images and more. Recolor. Want to change the colors in an image? Just type what you want and AI recolors it instantly. An erase tool. Made a mistake. Need to clean up an image? Just highlight an object and AI removes it instantly. Epic upscaling abilities. Need ultra high resolution images? Well, you can increase the quality 4 times without losing detail. And we're not just talking about static images. Let's talk GIFs and video images. And editing. Drag, drop, animate, and create eye-catching GIFs and short videos in seconds. Add text, overlays, transitions, and special effects effortlessly too. You can resize, crop, and format videos without complicated software. Turn simple ideas into viral-worthy content. Perfect for social media, websites, ads, and even selling on Fiverr or eBay and Etsy. So why choose Blyx? Because we put you in control. Cloud-based and secure login from anywhere, anytime. No bloated software or hidden fees, just AI-powered results at your fingertips. Flexible pricing so you can use our monthly credits or plug in your own API keys for full control. And yes, you can make money with Blyx. Sell your designs, offer edits, create custom graphics for clients, and engage your own marketing efforts. Businesses, influencers, and brands need fresh content every day, and you can be the one providing it. Now, normally software with this much power comes with a hefty price tag, but today you can access it at an insanely low cost. And to make this a no-brainer, I'm throwing in some insane bonuses. Over 50,000 premium images and AI prompts so you never run out of ideas. With live training on how to use visuals to drive sales and engagement. This alone is worth more than the price of Blyx. Plus we have AI assistants in there as well. But here's the catch. These bonuses won't last forever, so click below and start creating with Blyx Studio right now.
Blyx Studio OTOs, upgrades and pricing. Now let's talk about the upgrades. Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main product. Blyx Prime, $12.95 per month or $67 per year. Unlocks unlimited storage, premium templates, and advanced features. Blyx Empower, $47. Agency and reseller license to sell Blyx accounts and keep 100% of the profits. Blyx Edge, $37. AI-powered marketing tools to help you get more traffic and engagement. Blyx Amplify, $47. Exclusive training on driving free traffic and maximizing profits. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. If you plan on using Blyx Studio for client work or selling designs, I highly recommend Blyx Empower for reselling access. What I like about Blyx Studio beginner friendly. No tech skills required. Saves time. AI does the hard work for you. Affordable. No need for expensive design tools. Multiple income streams. Sell designs, offer services, or use them for content. What could be improved? Not a full Photoshop replacement. If you need super advanced editing, this may not be the right tool. Front-end version has limits. For full features, you'll need Blyx Prime or Empower. Final verdict, is Blyx Studio worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, AI-powered design tool that makes content creation fast and easy, Blyx Studio is definitely worth checking out. You can grab it using my link below. And don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Click the link in the description to get Blyx Studio now. Thanks for watching my Blyx Studio review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.